Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is my first update for the hashtag Partners in Cream 2023. God, I hope I said 2023 in my intro. It hasn't been a full month for me because I was late, but I still kind of want to get back on track. The project was set up by myself, I'm so itchy, and DaLin. It's an entire cream project pad, so basically anything that's not a powder. I use 5 products, but you can use whatever you want. One of mine is easy usage goal, so let's just get into my progress. Okay, so I had a few comments from people saying what kind of counts as a cream, and I just always say anything that's not a powder. Skincare and body care are in as well if you want to join in. And I think I said it in my intro, but DaLin will be linked down below. I will start with my usage product and we'll go from there. So the first product I had in is my MAC Glow Play blush in Totally Synced. Like, I think it's been 3 weeks for me. It's been 3 weeks for me, and for this it went down 0.15 grams in 6 uses. So I need to use it 20 times. I've used it 6 times. It's on me today. I just love the Glow Play formula. Out of all of the cream blushes that I've tried, it is my favorite. It says there's 3 grams of product in the compact, and I've used 0.15 of that 3 just in this project so far. That's interesting because I still think it would take forever to use up, but I'm glad I'm getting used to something I really like. So 6 of 20 so far. 6 of 20 so far. The next is my Urban Decay Primer Potion. In the close-up, it's still thick on the end. However, I have to take out the little doe foot and, and squeeze. There. So I have to squeeze it that much to get product out, and I just dip in. So there's a lot going on with that product, but I went down 0.25 grams in 11 uses. It now weighs 10.72 grams. I have over 100 uses on this. I really like it, provided I wipe it in straight away and then we're all good. My skin is predominantly oily. Sometimes I say combination oily because depending on the time of the year, I get a really dry, crusty forehead and like a dry cheek. But I think it's more dehydrated when it's like that because I still get really shiny nonetheless. But anyway, if my makeup falls off my face, my eyeshadow stays on no matter what with that product. And that's a 2 finish one. And then I had my Tower 28, which is technically a bronzer. It's the Bronzino in the shade Suncoast. I use it as a bronzer topper because it's not dark enough to be a bronzer on me. It has a kind of a gold sheen to it as well. So I went down 0.43 grams in 10 uses. And in total, I now have 53 uses on this product. I'm curious, I have taken a photo of it, but I haven't compared it to the last time. Has that expanded? I am curious. I do like using it. If I were to repurchase this product, it would be in a different shade. However, I don't feel one way or the other. I'd rather use up the cream bronzes that I have and then think about it. But yeah, I am enjoying using it. That kind of a product, I don't know, it's very satisfying to me. I have 2 more products, so not much to say, but this is my little contour stick. And I was so surprised with how much this went down on the piece of paper. I did take a picture of it. It's the Dark Honey in the shade 2, and I love this. I love this. It's so pointy, so I don't have a cheekbone. Let's just be real. Or a jawline. So draw, and I even draw on my forehead, 5 heads. I do have a big forehead. It's fine. That's why I refused to get a middle parting, and now here I am with a middle parting, embracing my childhood. But it's so narrow. I'm able to get at places that I wouldn't be able to get with a wider product. And I really like the tone of it. It's like this grayer tone, but not ashy. It's just a cool tone. And what's the story with this? I went down 0.32 grams in 11 uses. I don't have the total number of uses on this because I was using it last year just by myself. And then I said, I'm rolling it in. I'm rolling it in. And then the last product I have is the Natasha Denona Cream Highlight in the Blush and Bloom palette. And I am curious, does this look any different? Does it? I've used it 8 times, so maybe not, but I went down 0.32 grams. The palette itself weighs 140.86 grams, and I'm just working away. And what's funny is I love everything that's in here. How lucky am I? Because I panned things for years that I didn't love. But I do love this. And that means I'm not rolling anything out. And do I think I'll be rolling anything out the next time? Potentially the usage product. I'm not sure about the primer potion because it's so deceiving. But I'd say that's our best bet. Either 0, 1 or 2, basically. Thank you so much for watching. I will link the playlist down below for this year. Because I don't know if I did that in my last video. I will link it down below in my description box. And if I can, I'll pin it in a comment. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you the next time. Take care. Bye.